This is really cool. Inspired by my son who enjoys making these pixel art color by number deals, and he actually has just been doing a bunch of them on his own, making up his own designs based on stuff that I print off the internet. And it's inspired me to hop over into a spreadsheet project because it's just a big grid of numbers, right? So we can do this in Excel. We can do this in Google Sheets, and I've done it in both places to show you. Let me see if I can find the Sheets version and pull it up. Here we go. I've got it over here in Google Sheets as well. So the first thing we did, and I can go through all of the details of this. If you're interested in that, just let me know in the comments below. But for this video, I'm just going to show you how I create the numbered grid out of the image and not the image in the spreadsheet itself. So once you've got the colored image in the spreadsheet like this, I want to be able to turn it into, boom, a numbered grid that I can print out. And it's even got this color-coded part over here where I can print out and give it to my kids. So they know what color is what number. So how did we get from this to this? Well, we basically just have to go through each cell, see what the background color is, and then print it into a cell in a new spreadsheet according to that background color. And we can do the same exact thing here in Google Apps Script as we did in VBA over in Excel. Hey, as is pretty much always the case, if you want any of these files, I've got the stuff linked in the description below. I also run a free newsletter called Got Sheet if you like things like this, spreadsheets, automations, productivity. Send that out weekly. Check it out. Subscribe for free in the description also. Okay, back to the tutorial. So let me pull back up the VBA code and show you that. It's a little, actually, I think it's about the same length in each one, but basically you're declaring some variables up at the top. Here's the app script version. Let's go back to it. You're declaring these constants up at the top. They're not variables, they're constants. And let's walk through the app script because it's a little bit easier to read by nature of the JavaScript that it's written in. So this whole thing is our function, this color by number function, and that goes all the way down to the bottom. And what we do is we grab the spreadsheet, we grab the source sheet in the spreadsheet, and I'm using get sheet by name because I've named this sheet right here. I've named it art. So that's where the artwork is going to go. And then we're going to name the target sheet, and we're going to insert a sheet called color by number grid. Now we could change this because if we do this more than once, it's going to say, hey, there's already a sheet by that name. So we could make this iterate if we want to, but for now, we're just going to leave it like this. Then we're going to grab the range, which is from the source sheet, and it's A1 through AN30. I've hard-coded that because I'm making these 30 by 30 grids for the artwork right now. That's just the dimensions I wanted to use so that it comes out on a sheet of paper all right. We can go grab the values. So we get the range, but then we need the values that are in that range. And furthermore, we need the backgrounds. So this function right here, get backgrounds, will get the backgrounds. And let's see if we can just get the helper function to show us what that says. Returns the background colors of the cells in the range. So Excel and Google Sheets, I mean, they've got built-in methods for everything. Then we're going to make a little dictionary right here, okay? And we're going to say let color index equals 1. Start numbering the colors from number 1. So then we do two things. We loop through the image. So we loop through every row and every column here, one by one, and we create a dictionary of those color values. Then we go back and do the same thing over here and loop through those values and write the numbers in our new sheet over here. So it's pretty simple. If it's blue over here, then we write a 1 over here. And if it's black over here, we write whatever number over here. Then the last thing we do is we actually create a legend so that over here in rows or in columns AO and AP, we can see that we've got our actual color map legend. So the kids know when I print this out, what color goes where. And you can see that if I actually print this, we can change the orientation and stuff so that this will print on a sheet of paper. And I could actually probably change the color mapping so that it's on the bottom so that that works out a little bit better. Let's just cut this and put it down there just so it's easier for the kiddos. Also, I'm going to do a little bit of rearranging here and make everything centered up so that those are all centered. And finally, I think that's it, right? No, let's do one more thing. Let us take off all of the borders, or the grid lines rather. Let's take off the grid lines. And then up here, we only want to have borders just like so. Furthermore, I'm actually going to make this not a dark black, but kind of this third one right there, this gray. And I'm going to do the same thing for the numbers so that when they color over that on the sheet of paper that I print, it is not as pronounced so that the number kind of gets hidden behind the color of crayon or whatever that they're using. Okay, that's it. I got some tweaking to do, but thought you might like this little project. This is going to be very handy for my kids. It's something that I'm tired of finding on these sites that are riddled with Google ads, these pixel art images. So now we can just throw in our own PNG and create our own images based on that. If you want to see the nitty gritty of how we got the image from a PNG file into the Excel sheet to begin with, that's a little bit more cumbersome. And I found some good coding and tooling to make that happen. Let me know in the comments, like this video. And if you want to check out some more automation videos like this, check this one out next. Subscribe to my channel. Talk to you next time, and goodbye.